Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how you can mint on SOL, and it's Solana NFTs, of course. And you probably have some problems, maybe. I don't know. It's really easy actually to do, so I'm just gonna go fast over this. So first up, you wanna visit this site right here, and you also, of course, need a wallet. I have a pop-up right here, my Phantom wallet. When you search up Phantom, there should be a Chrome extension. It's just like downloading a MetaMask wallet and stuff like that you have to like write some stuff down and stuff like that. But then you want to sign in. I'm going to do that to one of my accounts. Okay, I've signed in now successfully, as you can see right here. Now I want to create an NFT. But first up, I'll probably want to create a collection. So let's hit the collection. And you can just fill this in like the title. You can't change this after, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So you need to be sure that you do some stuff you can't change after. But you can see it right here. That says you can edit it later. That means you can edit it, and this you can't not edit this title. So title, short description. This is stored on the blockchain. You can see it in on the account on your SOL, and there's a lot of banners that you need to upload. I don't actually think you need to do this, but it's probably a good idea. Some tags, collection symbol. I normally just write my name of the collection right here. Circulating supply if you want to upcoming in this tab right, and your socials. That's really easy. And when you do that, you need to pay some gas fees. Not a whole lot, nothing at all nearly. But we want to create an NFT. So first up, you need to upload right here on this section right here. Always do this. And I'll also upload on this section right here. I don't upload an animated preview because I have not uploaded animated. Alright, there we go. This is my NFT. It's really beautiful. An egg. Now we want to title it egg. I don't think you can edit this after actually. So be sure about that. Short description again. This is stored on the blockchain again. Egg. And this is description under your NFT on SOL that everyone will see. Egg. Now you need to set your realities. Let's set 2.5 maybe, or 3 tags. You can just you can add as many tags as you want. So this is a profile picture. This is also a domain name. This is also a collectible. It's also art. License, then you can add in your license. I normally never do this, so I don't really know what NFTs means, like other than what it says. But I normally just don't do that. And then you do it to the collection. Hit this right here, and then you type in the new collection, and you can also add some trades, egg, and then you just mint the NFT. For me, it says transaction may fail to confirm because I don't have any SOL on this account. And there's 2 transactions that you need to confirm, and it's nothing like 0.01 or 0.02 Solana. I'm pretty sure that's what it costs to mint the NFT. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.